Hey everybody, it's David here from Real Hard Reviews, and today we have a new microphone to review, which is the Movo VSM5. Now, this was sent to us by Movo directly, and as always, a little disclaimer on my videos, any product that gets sent to me for free doesn't really change my objectivity, and I also try to keep my review as honest as possible and fair as well. Okay, so let's just jump in. So the VSM5 from Movo was sent to me and they told me to basically unbox this live. But I kind of already opened her up and gave already a little bit of a test, but nonetheless, let's open it up and see what's inside the box when you guys receive it and go from there. Okay, opening up the box, as you can see right from the top, we got some black foam. Inside the black foam is the microphone itself. Now, an interesting part of the actual Movo VSM5 is that this includes everything in one go. So you have your pop filter, and of course your mic, and also your shock absorber. It's a one system thing. So it's pretty cool in that regards, because honestly, all you need is basically an XLR input for this mic. It's not USB, just a heads up, and that's it. You just plug it in and you're good to go. It only has a screw hole for your boom arm if you want to attach this somewhere. So inside the box remaining is just your instruction booklet and a XLR input here. XLR cable, my bad. So it's nice that they include this as well. And it's nice that they also have this packaging foam, so you're pretty much sure that your microphone is gonna be at least well protected in regards to this. And that's really about it for the unboxing experience. Yeah, also I forgot to mention that you do get 2 years additional warranty on this as well. It says here on top. So you get your additional 1 year warranty, and you also get an additional 1 year as well if you activate your product online, which is pretty nifty for a company to offer 2 year warranty on their objects, or their products, sorry. Moving forward with the video, as you can see from the actual mic, I really do like it, and it's all metal, this encasing, and it's also hefty. So it feels like really great quality. Now, get this, you're getting this microphone all included for around $100. And for $100 for a mic, that's not bad at all, considering that a pop filter and a shock absorber alone could cost a pretty penny depending on the mic that you put inside of it. This comes all included in one, and it's pretty cool to have that all. And also, the only thing I don't really like about this is the actual pop filter. It's nice that they actually added it onto the shock absorber, but it's a little bit plasticky and a little finicky, but at the end of the day, it's just a pop filter. It does the job well. I just wish maybe it was a little bit higher quality plastic, but for $100, you can't really complain too much. And on the mic itself, you'd also do get a 0 dB and a negative 10 dB as well. So if you're, for example, having high vocals or you're yelling a lot on your streams, you just drop this down to negative 10 dB, and then you're basically able to yell at the mic without any sound distortions, which is pretty cool. And also on the side, you also get your high and low pass filters to, decrease your humming or any background noise if you need be. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this mic as an overview. I'm gonna set this up on my computer real quick and also attach a recorder to it. And I'll be comparing it to my favorite mic, which is the Samsung G-Track Pro right over here. It is a USB mic, so a little bit different compared to what this is, which is an XLR input mic. But it is one of my favorite mics out there. So we'll do a quick comparison between the two of them and see what sounds better in your guys' ears. So let's try this out and go from there. Okay, so I mounted the Movo VSM5 directly to my recorder. I'm not editing the audio in any way, shape, or form. This is the raw audio feed that you're hearing directly from the recorder itself in the video. So, write in the comment section below to see if it sounds good overall. What you guys think about it? For me, I think it sounds pretty good. I already did some tests before. I really do like it. For the amount of money you're spending on this, you're getting a lot of audio
quality overall. And also you also get a shock absorber, which is really useful, and also a pop filter for the included price points. And the beauty of the pop filter as well is that it's not attached directly to your boom arm, it's actually attached to the shock absorber. So it makes it a more complete package without looking a little too funky. Especially if you're doing streams, a lot of times the pop filter kind of covers your face. This does a better job of not doing that, as well as the shock absorber. And it's a pretty small package, so for streams specifically, it could be really good for that. So I'm gonna do a comparison with the Samsung G-Track Pro real quick. I'm gonna mount that onto the boom arm and let you guys hear the major differences between the two of them. Okay, I'll let you see it. Hey, I'm back here now. I reinstalled the Samsung G-Track Pro on the boom arm, and I wanted to see what you guys think about this overall. I'll let you guys decide in the comment section below to see which one's better. And then, you get to be the judge of that. So once again, with the Samsung G-Track Pro, you're almost spending twice the amount of money. It's actually around 200 USD for this in comparison to this, which is only $100. So do you hear $100 worth of difference between the two of them? That's relative to you guys. So you also got to make sure that you also have a XLR interface for your PC, and the Samsung doesn't have to worry about that because it already has a USB interface. So all you need to do is really connect to the computer and you're good to go. But I just want to see what you guys think about this and compare it to what the Movo is. So yeah, let's set it back to how it was and let's have final thoughts about this and go from there.
Okay, so you finally heard the differences between the two microphones. And from what I hear overall, the Movo does a really good job. Not bad at all, actually. I really do like it. Though the Samsung G-Track Pro, it does sound a little better. It makes my voice a little more deeper and bassier. It's really suited for that type of voice, but the Movo does a pretty good job as well. Especially considering that you'll still have to modify your voice on streams and podcasts and to make it a little bit better, remove the hissing sound, get the vocals sounding a little better overall. And having the Movo on the side and having it a very almost flat file is really good for that in regards, because you don't want to have a mic that's a little too bassy or a little too all over the place. You want to have a relatively flat mic, and this does a really great job of doing that. So I really recommend it overall. For the price of what you're paying for it, for $100, it's hard to say no. It really will up your game for streaming, podcasting, content creation, or even small-time YouTubers as well. There's no need or real spend to go anything above more than $200 to $300. And on $100, you're getting an amazing deal. Like the difference between, a $100 mic and a $2,000 mic won't be shown or heard more likely on a YouTube stream or streaming overall, because the audio does get compressed. So the audio quality is between $100 and $2,000 mic gets kind of lost in between. So there's no need to spend that kind of cash. And having something like this is more than adequate. In fact, it's pretty great for what you get out of it. So I want to hear your guys' opinion on the audio quality. For me, it sounds great. Maybe for you guys, it sounds a little bit different, but I like it. I really do. For what it's worth, for the price you're paying for it, it's a good buy. And thank you, Movo, for sending this over to do a quick review on it. I didn't expect to like it too much, but I'm pretty much loving it. I've been using it for even Zoom calls. I've been using it for everything in between. Everybody's been saying the same thing. I sound crystal clear on it. I sound like a podcaster when I'm doing meetings. A little bit overkill for Zoom meetings, but why not? And I really do like it 100% for that. So this basically includes my review of the Movo VSM5. I really do like this microphone for what it's worth. And you know what? If you're a small-time YouTuber or content creator or a podcaster or even a streamer, this is a great mic to start off with. You get everything you need in one package. All you need to really do is plug it into your computer and you're good to go. So if you haven't already, please hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel. It really helps us a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't already as well, please join us on our Discord channel where we talk about the latest tech trends in tech. And thank you so much for watching the video. And if you have any questions about the Movo VSM5, just leave a comment below. This is David from Real Hard Reviews, signing out.